it's another Saturday here at Calibre, and it's just our private group this time. It looks like it's just PPC. Of course, Fozzie's here, and then a couple of our other Porsche friends are here also, so it's gonna be pretty chill. We don't really have any plans for the day. Probably gonna end up over at the Sound Performance Open House today, I think, if all goes according to plan. We're not really sure, because I think we're kind of just flying by and kind of seeing how things go. So yeah, we'll just go in there and enjoy ourselves for a little bit. I think that's the coolest part about just coming out here, because we're just having like discussions, you know what I mean? Just hanging out, talking, and enjoying just the day. You know, it's Saturday, we've all had super long work weeks and all that stuff, and it's just nice to be able to go out. And to non-car people, it doesn't really make too much sense. But here we are hanging out, enjoying discussions, being around other like-minded people, and just literally driving your car to a place, enjoying the time you have with people, and building a community. None of these people knew each other before we had all this like Porsche stuff in common, you know what I mean? These are a group of individuals that came together for one common purpose, and now we see each other like every single weekend, and I think that's beautiful. And that's truly what I think the car scene's about, is just bringing people together. And you know, I'm not even gonna get started on all that takeover shit, because I don't want to go that way, but this is what a true car scene is about, is just being out here, having discussions, and enjoying each other's time. Look at the green Miata. Wow, that's beautiful. We've rolled up to Sound Performance, and I think they're asking us they're asking Paul questions. The Mark III Supra, it's beautiful. Is that a Chaser? Sick, dude. So we're over at Sound Performance now, and I'm kind of happy they backed me in because I didn't wash my car today. It's a really, really pretty shop, and I'm gonna take out all my stuff just already. There's a Supra there, another Supra there. I think that's a Chaser. Well, my friend Bum works at this shop, so we'll see if we end up running into him, but we're gonna take out all of our film equipment and kind of go around and hang out. Big up to Paul, because Paul got me this spot, because Paul was like, just get this car in there. So I am in the lineup. So that's pretty sweet. Wow, it's got a Midori thing on it though. That's pretty rare. Because they don't, yeah, Midori doesn't put their stickers on cars unless it's been serviced at their shop like a lot. We're definitely in the firing zone right now. We're gonna go deaf in a second.
It's fine. It's all good.
Holy sh**. It's so clean, dude. It's so clean too.
It smells good too.
Oh, gas. Do you see it?
Huh?
Two things.
What?
This one.
Oh. Wow.
This is actually like super dream spec, but look at the headers into the the turbo down there. This is like dream spec, and it's so cool. It's exactly the stance that I would love to have.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then look across the road.
Oh.
Wow. Look at this one. Fuzzy. Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, wait a minute. It's a 2J. Oh my god. It's a 2J 300Z. Oh, Paul, look at that. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh no!
But look at that guy. Holy God.
It's not a beach here.
Oh, damn. Wow. LS? CSP, you guys bring out the coolest cars. It's hot. It is literally 90 degrees. We're done at Sound Performance and it was actually really fun. Ran into a couple people. It was really cool to see everything because the dynos were nuts. Like that 240 was crazy.
Insane. 750.
750 wheel, and he was still slipping on the dyno, so it was probably more than that. I realized I filmed some stuff earlier and then I don't know what happened to the file, like it just didn't exist anymore. So I don't know if it corrupted or what, but anyway, I was just saying how we were just leaving Sound Performance and going out, and we went to the mall and went to Teamo and stuff. So Tiffany's got a dance event that she's going to go work and do things at, so that's all. But I think for now we're gonna call it on the video because I'm sure I filmed a lot at Sound Performance. I actually took no pictures. So I actually took 0 pictures, although I probably should have. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's really it. Cool. See you on the other side. Look at the big ass. Turbo big. CSP's welder. Oh. It's loud. That was a Corvette. But anyway, that was pretty much it. Ooh, what is that? Uh-oh.